Intel surges after President Trump announces major Apple chip partnership, boosting domestic manufacturing momentum. That guy certainly knows how to make headlines. At the same time, exciting opportunities emerge across semiconductors, quantum security, and critical infrastructure. Today we're taking a look at the superconductor supply chain, US chip manufacturing resurgence, and the growing opportunities in tech security and infrastructure. Investors are paying close attention in a standout week for US chip ambitions. Let's get into it. Hello, I'm Will with AktieGo.com, where we look at companies, markets, and opportunities. This is your AktieGo market briefing and weekly roundup, a quick look into some of the developments investors should be paying attention to. Today, we're exploring the potentially surging momentum in the chip sector and related tech plays, highlighted by the latest developments around Intel and Apple. Before we begin, AktieGo has not been paid by any of the companies mentioned in this video unless explicitly stated. This video is for informative purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We're going to talk about some companies in the sector in just a moment, but before that, it is very important to understand the big picture. As with many other areas, US President Donald Trump has spent years pushing the advancement of initiatives to strengthen domestic manufacturing in the United States and reduce reliance on overseas supply chains. This is certainly also true in the manufacture of semiconductors. Recent progress is accelerating this shift and creating some very exciting potential across the ecosystem. President Trump's announcement that Apple has agreed to work with Intel to design and build chips in America has generated strong enthusiasm, with Intel shares surging as investors recognize the strategic importance of this partnership. While focused initially on certain chip segments, it marks a significant step forward for US foundry capabilities and supply chain resilience. At the same time, Accenture is making bold moves to expand its leadership in operational technology cybersecurity through key acquisitions, positioning the company at the forefront of protecting critical systems in an AI-powered world. This convergence of onshoring, advanced manufacturing, and cybersecurity innovation is opening doors for both established leaders and nimble innovators. Since we brought them up already, let's start with Accenture, listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ACN and currently trading at the time of recording at around $129 US. The company continues to build momentum with its strategic acquisitions in OT cybersecurity, including Dragos, RunZero, and NetRise. These moves enhance Accenture's capabilities in safeguarding power grids, pipelines, manufacturing, data centers, and more, creating a comprehensive platform perfectly aligned with rising demand for robust security in critical infrastructure. Certainly, they are making the moves that should have investors paying attention. Next up, SkyWater Technology, listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SKYT, that's SkyT, and currently trading at around $35 US per share. As a US-based semiconductor foundry, SkyWater is directly standing in one of the best potential positions to benefit from the onshoring trend. The company specializes in advanced and specialty chips, offering semiconductor development, wafer production, and advanced packaging services. All this could position it as a key player in America's push toward domestic manufacturing capacity. Next, let's take a look at Ultra Clean Holdings, listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol UCTT and currently trading at around $119 US at the time of recording. Ultra Clean supplies critical subsystems, specialty chemicals, and services used throughout semiconductor manufacturing. As US chip production ramps up, the company is positioned to benefit from higher demand for the full range of tools, parts, and materials needed in new fabs. And that makes it one whose name investors are going to want to remember. Finally, let's head into small cap territory and visit Quantum eMotion Corp, listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol QNC and currently trading at around $4.20 Canadian at the time of recording. Quantum is making impressive strides in quantum-based security. Its quantum random number generator, or QRNG technology for hardware and software solutions, delivers true randomness at the chip level, essential for next-generation cryptographic production in AI, IoT, finance, and critical communications. With quantum threats on the uprise, Quantum eMotion Corp is ideally positioned to benefit from the transition to quantum-safe systems, something we did discuss in an earlier video. These developments highlight enormous long-term potential, so investors should absolutely be on the lookout for any progress and details from the Intel-Apple partnership, Accenture's continued execution in cybersecurity and services growth, integration successes and momentum from further acquisitions, broader US chip policy support, onshoring incentives and surging demand from AI and data centers, and the adoption of quantum security technologies and increased spending on critical infrastructure protection. The Intel-Apple partnership underscores America's advancing leadership in semiconductor manufacturing, while Accenture's cybersecurity expansions and the advantageous positions of companies like UltraClean, Quantum, and SkyWater illustrate the exciting opportunities across the broader tech and infrastructure ecosystems. This isn't just about chips, it's about building resilient, secure, and intelligent systems that will power the future of AI, industry, and national security. The momentum is building, and for investors, the opportunities ahead look increasingly promising. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then subscribe to AktieGo for more company research, market analysis, and investor-focused content. Find out more at AktieGo.com for full articles, company profiles, and market updates. And if you want to contact AktieGo, you can at inquiries@aktiego.com. Thanks once again for watching, and see you next time.